All right, so one of my buddies just stopped by, and you might know him from some of the old videos. His name's Christian, and he's always had BMWs. He used to have a, I don't know, some sort of F series something, some new shit. And he just came through with a new car, and it's super sick. I want to show you guys. This thing is dopey. Yo, okay, so what was your old car? I totally don't know, like, F chassis.
A 2013 328i F30.
F30.
Yeah.
Yeah. And, dude, this thing's just, it's fucking ridiculous, man. This thing's sick.
I love it. I'm obsessed with it.
Yeah.
Great.
So it's on air ride?
Yes, it's on Airlift 3-piece.
Airlift.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. The red interior is so sick. And the door pulls, man. Damn.
Compressor. Wait for it to turn off before I start moving.
Oh, that's why it sounds like there's an earthquake. Yeah. Never been in a car with air suspension.
Yeah, it turns off. It's quiet again. Just gotta wait. I think it's still. Drastically louder than my old one, that is for sure.
I'm always scared to roll down windows in BMWs. Fucking ridiculous. It doesn't have a cat anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it definitely shoots flames. You're definitely just popping shots off everywhere. It's got a really linear power band. Yeah. It's super, like, it feels really controllable. Like it doesn't just fucking smack.
He did such a great job in the interior too. The car
It's like,
everywhere.
Yeah, this super fucking luxurious.
Yeah.
For
the red gauges he got redone too. He got all this done. It used to be black. Redid that red.
Man.
Everything.
This thing's a super show car spec.
He just went all out. All out.
It's a great daily. Cars were meant to be driven.
Yeah, I hope so. Gotta make it to Arizona.
This looks ridiculous. Dude, those pops are so loud.
So loud. Ridiculous, dude. Like,
It's insane.
like a gun.
Yeah.
Loud, yeah.
No, it's
dangerous.
totally like a gun.
It's so dangerous. It's gonna get me in trouble, man. And you know, with the manual, it was a lot easier, like if I were to fly by a cop and I were to pop it in neutral and just make it quiet.
Yeah.
I can't do that with this, so I gotta figure out, I don't know, downshift, I guess, or something. I don't know.
Insane, dude.
So much.
Stoked I got to see it. Fuck yeah. That thing was fucking primo. That thing was cool. I'm gonna go take a 240 for a drive. I don't drive this car very much.
Hey guys, what's up? Ooh. Yeah, so we were supposed to work on the E30 today, and that really didn't happen.
We're welding a box.
Look at what we made! Yeah, so basically, Jonas came out here, started cutting some metal with the new saw boy, and I ended up mimicking him. This guy, that guy cut half of that cube over there. And yeah, no dude, just fucking welding a cube. And then I was so pepped up on my coffee earlier that I was like, you should totally show me how to weld. And he said, I wasn't that excited when Jonas initially got it, but now that I've used it, I get it.
I figured that's all it would take.
Oh, dude, the bandsaw is so fucking cool. Oh, dude, it's fucking bandsaw, dude. It's a saw that goes round, 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 round.
I know, right, dude?
Yeah, no, we're just having some fun. It's a cube, not a 240 or an E30.
Let's give that a look. Hey.
Can't see where I'm welding.
Nice, buddy.
Right to the table.
Ah, it didn't stick this time though.
Oh, that's pretty cool, guys.
Nice. Coose made some good blobs then. First time welding. How you feeling?
Pretty good, dude.
Nice.
My back hurts. That's pretty cool, dude. I did that.
You can take that home if you want.
No, we'll leave it here for when I like get angry, need to hate weld something.
Alright. Alright guys. Thanks for watching this one. I'm gonna wrap it up here. We didn't really film an outro when we filmed the video, but Coose made some good little glue. And Christian's new car is super sick. Christian and my other friend Hunter are going to UTI in Arizona. So they're actually on a road trip down there now. So good luck, you guys. Drive safe, don't die, don't get tickets. We've got a drift event this weekend. We're gonna be taking the 240 as well as my dad's E36 to Spirit Peaks up in Washington. And hopefully we'll get a successful shakedown of the 240 finally. I have the handbrake locking up, so, you know, if it doesn't overheat and it starts, then we should be good. So, yeah, it's pretty great. This video was a little different. It was a little bit more of a vloggy, style-y thing. So, if you guys liked it, please let me know down in the comments. And, yeah, give the video a like, hit the bell, and have a good rest of your day, guys.
I got a new coil in my vape. I'm very excited about it. It hits like it's a cloud. Oh, dude, the bandsaw is so fucking cool. Oh, dude, it's fucking bandsaw, dude. It's fucking, it's a saw that goes round, 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 round.
I know, right, dude?